Imagine waking up one day and finding that there is no water to drink. Imagine waking up one day and finding that there is no water to drink. Life without water is impossible. That is why every drop of water is precious. Imagine a very warm good morning to you all respected teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me Anjali Shah from grade 81 standing in front of you to deliver short presentation on the topic of save water. Water is important for all living beings. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, farming, and cleaning. Without water, no one can live. Today, many places do not have enough clean water. That is why, so we should not waste it. We can save water by fixing leaking taps, using only water when we need. Remember, every drop counts. If we save water today, we save our future tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.